Hey, remember this car? This is the one that didn't have any brakes left. As you can see, brakes are doing good. But the glass, on the other hand, not doing so well. Somebody decided to smash every piece of glass, well, except for these little guys right here. Smash the window, smash both the passenger and driver's door glass and the rear glass. Smashed them all out. Nothing left of them. So, yeah, I don't know if you can see the rest of the glass in there. I've been picking out glass for quite a while. You can see down in the channel right here, I got to pick the glass out of that to get the new glass in. Man, I hate vandals. Why? Why do people have to do that? And you can see the climate control is all smashed up now. So yeah, another fun job, and only because somebody decided it would be fun to smash windows out of a car. And this 95 Civic Del Sol, these windows aren't easy to find anymore. And of course, it's raining out today, so I got to get this thing fixed. So I just wanted to show you the fun that I was going through today. On a positive note, this Harbor Freight light that I got, it works great if you need to work at an angle like this. And while we're in there fixing all the windows, the owner wants me to put these fancy new Kenwoods in here. I'll be bumping the tunes now. Oh, and a little tip, if you ever need to do a window regulator or something, or a door lock actuator and need to get in here, and sometimes I agree you do need to cut this plastic back, but when you tape it back, don't use masking tape like this. It just turns into dust and disintegrates. Instead, use some all-weather tape like this. This stuff is from Duck. You can see this stuff is made to withstand all the weather like that. Just a quick little tip. I don't care where you live. It's pretty much impossible to pull a seat without finding a few French fries under there. And anybody missing a Craftsman 7/16 socket? You want to know why they don't make the Civic Del Sol anymore? Well, look at this. Just to get this rear window out, or get it replaced, you got to take everything from the center console, including the seats, out all the way back. Look at all these parts. Just to get to the rear window, where this is where the rear window mounts, and this big old contraption right here. You got to mount it on there and then put it back in the car. It's going to be fun. Well, that's what she looks like with the glass back installed. I don't know if you can see it, but we got footprints all over the hood here. You think that was the culprit? Well, this thing might be smashed up, but it's got a sweet new Kenwood in here now. No more French fries. There you go. Here's a final shot. She's all fixed. 3 junkyard windows all put in. They already came pre-tinted, as you can see. Had to go to a couple different junkyards to get these windows, one of which was a couple hours away. So let me tell you, this job sucked. So if you're the type that likes to go and vandalize vehicles, well, I have nothing but bad things to say about you, and especially the person who did it to this vehicle. But in any event, hey, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.